Odoo Community Edition is actually useless. They say it's not huge, it's just basic and it doesn't suit real business. But you know what? A lot of this is exaggerated. Odoo Community version actually can be used in a very pretty way, and today I'm here to break down the lies that you have heard commonly on the Community Edition and then reveal what the truth is. If you're someone trying to learn ERP, starting a new business or something like that with the help of community, this video could save a lot of your money and this is going to save your time as well. Lie number 1. Odoo Community is just for learning. The fact is, no. Because some of you assume directly like Odoo Community is actually a demo version of Odoo and you use it for learning. But no, the fact is you can run a lot of modules in it. Yes, it can't perform as well or it won't be as that much as of the the enterprise version of the ERP, sorry. So community is not only for learning. You can run modules like the sales, the community, and you can do a lot of practices over it if you are a developer. Okay, so obviously for advanced features, you might have to get the enterprise edition or some additional free modules that you get in the App Store. And the answer is the very first lie is it's not only for demo purpose or practicing or learning. No, you can use it. You can make it of use if you are someone who have a startup company and all. Okay, it can manage pretty much everything in a very decent way, not in an advanced way. Like it can, but still. So yeah, it's not only for practice. You can use it like you use the enterprise edition of Odoo. Lie number 2, you need enterprise for every serious business. So this is a common lie that we hear, like somebody who's working on Odoo hears this lie, very particularly. So the fact is, it's a lie, the very first thing, but that's not the fact. Like you don't have to, switch to enterprise if you are someone who owns a business. No, if you are a small company, a startup company, a small entrepreneur doing a small business and all, then this is enough and more. Like you don't have to particularly go for enterprise version. There is nothing like that. Now, a lot of people think that community is pretty much lesser and it doesn't have anything which is required to run a business. There is nothing like that. Okay, community has pretty much basic features that is required to run a startup business. Like if you are someone who's starting up a business, obviously you will be on a budget. Okay, so you don't have to spend a lot of money in search of these paid, the paid version, which is the enterprise and all. Community is absolutely free, and if you are someone with, the development knowledge, then it is going to be a plus point for you all as well. So this is enough and more to run a small business. Small enterprises can easily and without any doubt go on to the community version. So yeah, that's it. Lie number 3. Community doesn't have automation. So it's nothing like that. A lot of people think that community is something or somewhere where only manual work is done or manual work can be done. But the fact is, no, there are a lot of automations in community as well, but still limited. Okay, so still if you go on and create a sale order, a delivery order will be triggered automatically. Isn't that an automation? Yes. Similarly, a lot of automations can be done. But as I said before, like it is limited. It's not like you can't do automation. You can do automation and automation is possible in community. Only thing is that it's limited and not as advanced as the enterprise version. Lie number 4, it's expensive anyway. So it's partly true, but I can't say it's fully true because it depends upon how much customization you make over the community version. So it's not like if you have two business A and B. A might not need that much customization, but B needs a lot of customization. So if you are going for a third party, obviously B will be spending a lot than the first one, which is A. Okay, so it depends on how much customization you need. It's not like always you switch on community and you'll have to pay a lot. No, there's nothing like that. It is completely based on what your needs are and how much customization you need. And plus, if you are a business searching for customization and you have an in-house Python developer means, then it doesn't cost that much for you all. So yeah, it's partly true. It's completely based on the customization. Lie number 5. Community is too weak for growth. So that's not the truth, guys, because A lot of people start with community. What we do is that, like if I am starting a business and I'm switching to community, as my business grows, only then I'll think of switching the software, that is the ERP. Like I'll start with community obviously and we grow together. Either you can do a lot of advanced features into the community or you can directly switch to ERP. That's only when, like people usually do it only when their business grows. So along with your business grows, community or version also changes in Odoo. So it's not compulsory that you have to switch to enterprise once you are running a business. There's nothing like that. Okay, so yeah, that's the fact about this particular lie. So these are the basic lies that we hear about the community edition. And I have a lot of things to add on to it. I know that community is not enough for someone. Some people use it for learning purpose. For some, they think a lot of advanced features should be required. So yeah, obviously, community doesn't have advanced features. Obviously, it's free and it has limited features into it. So, accounting and all, it's a limited accounting module that we get in the community. A lot of automations are missing, I know that, but still, it's not useless, okay? Calling them useless and calling it limited is actually different. There are they are two poles, two completely different poles, okay? So it's not like that, it's not useless at all. Like if you are someone who knows to use it properly and who explores what the features are, then it is enough and more for you. And you can grow with it and then you can switch to the next version of Odoo. So it's not useless, not at all, and not ever it's going to be useless because it has a lot of feature into it. If you are in search of such features, then you can obviously go for it. Only when you feel like you need the, customization, you can go with it, okay? So yeah, it's not useless at all. So don't underestimate the community version of Odoo. That's it, guys. I hope that was clear for you all. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.